Hello and welcome back to the Sealed Tapes channel. Today we are going to take a look at 10 disturbing clips caught on doorbell camera. Make sure you watch the whole video, since you don't want to miss out on some of these terrifying clips we are about to show you. In the next clip you see a young man who appears to be intoxicated. The residents have indicated that the young man is unknown to them and therefore do not know what the man's intentions are. By the way, there are easier ways to open a door. For example, with a key. In this clip we see a woman who is quite thirsty. It looks like she's trying to catch rain, or so we assume here. Always be on your guard and never just open the door to strangers. In the next clip we see a masked individual what appears to be wearing an attire. I think a bulletproof vest did a better job. At least he can roll his way out later. In this video we see a confused man who is clearly drunk. The residents have indicated that they do not know the man. Perhaps he could have picked a better time to have a beer. In this scary video we see a frustrated man with fake eyelashes. It's unclear what the man's problem is, but luckily no one answered the door.
Get out, motherfucker! Get your fucking ass!
Fortunately, there are doorbell cameras so that you don't just open the door for strangers.
We can't answer the door right now. But if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
If you need toilet paper, you can try to ask nicely in the future. In the next video we see two masked young men carrying a deadly weapon. It seems they wanted to surprise the residents and planned a raid. Always be on the lookout and prepared for danger.
Yo! Yo! Yo, Kevin!
One of the men apparently knows the resident named Kevin.
Come on, bro.
Luckily, Kevin wasn't home alone. Who knows how the incident could have ended? In this video we see a woman dressed as an alien, or so it seems. The scary thing about this is that the woman is unknown to the residents and Halloween doesn't take place in March. In the next clip we see two friendly men who I don't think come to visit for a cup of tea. One of the criminals shot himself in the foot. They say karma comes in different forms. In this case, a gun. In this video we see a woman who has a cloth in her hand. It is unknown what exactly the woman wants and what the cloth is for. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment about what you thought of the video. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks again for stopping by and have an awesome day.